I'm doing this video today because a lot of people ask me about they've taken a course and now they cannot get profitable from that course. They're trying to find a way to trade, they place trades, but then the results just don't come up to anything positive. How do you do in that case? What do you do to fix that? It's very simple. I'll give you my process for it. For how I get profitable if I was starting out as a newbie once again. And we'll dive right in. It should be a fun discussion. Alright, so the first thing you gotta understand is the fact that if you take a course and you learn stuff about trading, it doesn't make you a good trader. And I'm saying this for all kinds of reasons. It could be a course, it could be you learn from someone else, it could be a good book about trading. It doesn't make you a better trader unless you take the right steps to apply that knowledge to something productive. I really hate when I hear people say, oh, knowledge is power. You gotta learn more, learn all the setups, learn all the strategies, all the tools, learn to read the charts better, and then you'll be a good trader. That stuff doesn't work. You can try to learn all the stuff you want, but it doesn't mean you'll have good results. And it's tough to get people to do that and to apply it correctly because they expect that they have to learn more and more and more to get good results. Here I'm using the example of you take a course, but it could be you read a book, it could be you just go and you learn a bunch of stuff on YouTube about trading. Now the next step is you gotta actually put this into some sort of plan. We can call it a strategy, we can call this a trading plan. The word here don't matter, but the key is you wanna organize this into something you can do. Because the first step to have something in trading that works and that gives you consistent results is having a consistent plan that you can actually use over and over again. Meaning if you kind of wishy-washy go in this time, then the next time you do something different, then next time you apply a different kind of setup, it's not going to be consistent. And the results won't be consistent, of course. A very simple example here. Let's say you learn on a YouTube video that if you buy the high of the day, then price likely to go higher. I know it's a dumb example, but keep it like this for this video. So you say, okay, I'm going to buy the high of the day, and it's going to go higher when I buy the high of the day. Then you write this down to your plan. That's what you're going to do for the next 30 days or 60 days. That's what you will focus on only. So now we've got our knowledge and we've got our plan. The next step is executing it consistently in the market. So every single day you go in the market, you go look at the high of the day, and you go take that trade. And if you didn't take the trade, you want to maybe look at why you didn't, and you want to maybe keep track of that trade that you missed in the market. If you did trade that day, you want to keep a log of your trades. At least getting some kind of backbone, a very simple stats of your trades. Like what pair you enter, what was your risk, how much money did you make or how much money did you lose, or how many points you made or lose in that trade. That's it. It can be very simple. I talk with guys who want to keep a journal because they're new traders and they want to kind of track their trades. And they have this huge spreadsheet. They wonder what else can I check? What else can I focus on? I know if I did that kind of journal myself, I would never do it. I would never complete it because it's too many factors. It's too hard to complete. It takes a lot of time for them to write down all that data, and they just won't use it anytime later. The key with this kind of first journal is to be able to track your trades, know when you're making money, and then when you lose money. So then we can go back later on and see on these trades what happened when I won money, what happened when I made money, and what happened when I lost money in the market. What are some of these common factors there to refine the trading strategy or the plan we had in the beginning? So this is really key. Keep a simple journal. It could even be like a MyFX book where you connect your account and it's automatically tracking your trades there so you can review later and even tag them. So something very simple. Just keep track of your trades. Know when you enter, know when you exit, know how much money you made, how much money you lost, what pair you traded. And that's pretty much all we care about for now. If you want to keep screenshots of your trades, even better. If you don't want to keep screenshots, then don't keep screenshots. That's up to you. Okay, like I said, the next step, once you've been able to do this consistently give yourself like 30 days or 60 days minimum. It could be a bit more, it could be a bit less, but at least 30, 60 days is a good period to be able to gather some good data there. Next step is getting feedback for those trades. So you look back at your trades, your whole journal, how many trades did I earn money? Or how many trades did I win? How many trades did I lose? Why did I lose these trades? What are some common factors there? Did I forget something? Did I make a mistake? Because sometimes you can make mistakes, it's fine. We can forget things about our plan, but sometimes we just go in the market, do everything right, and then we lose money. Then it's not a mistake problem, it's actually a strategy problem. Your strategy needs some more tweaking, a few more rules you can add or adjust to make it work better. That's when it's your job to either have a coach or either do it yourself, but go back to your trades, look at your results, and find ways to fix those results to whatever you want to achieve. Now, the coolest part about trading is that this is a process that you'll go through for your entire career. It's not just like a one-day thing that you do to get profitable. I still do this now every quarter. Every quarter, every 3 months or so, I go back to my trades I look at my results, I look at my screenshots, I look at my journals, which I keep online now to be able to track on different devices. And I'm able to really be able to see, is it different now from the past few quarters, or is it the same kind of result? Like, of course, results always change. The P&L will be different a little bit. The win rate might be a little bit different, but it's always pretty much the same, unless I do something stupid or my strategy stops working, which it never happened. But at least I've got good stats I can keep track of. I can do this and know what I'm doing and really track my results closely in that way. As a new trader, that should be your main objective too. But the key thing here is don't expect you can just go and learn a bunch of stuff, read all these books, take all these courses, and then your results will automatically change if you do nothing. That's not the point. You got to be able to do some work after a course you take. You got to be able to make a framework. Most of these courses out there don't even teach you a whole process. They teach you like a few theories, but then if you expect to make money from them, you're kind of dreaming. You got to put this into a proper plan of action. If you're lucky enough to get a course where they teach you a whole bunch of strategies, like I teach my students sometimes, I really dive into the specifics, what you do to enter a trade. I give them checklists. Then that's a good thing, of course. Then you have a much better chance of succeeding. But if you take a course where just theories and examples of trades and you don't exactly know what the strategy is, or when to take trades, or what to do in that case, then that's a bit of an issue. You got to be able then to make your own plan from it and apply it in the market to make it work by yourself. And that's the key thing. If you want to learn one of my strategies for free, I'll put a link below. You can check it out. It's called my BBR strategy. I trade this full time. It's basically a Bollinger Universal setup where I teach you step by step how it works. I'll give you all the rules behind it for free. If you want to learn it, check out the link below. The first link will be for that. If you want to learn more strategies, we have a course too, which we call the Trading Strategy Playbook, that dives into more strategies, how to be able to kind of add multiple strategies to have a good portfolio. And these are going to be kind of focused more on day trading, on swing trading, reversals, trends, so you're able to combine many things and get good results. Our students with the playbook typically get results in about anywhere from 30 to 60 days. Once they start, they're able to get profitable then. So it's a pretty good program. Both these things will be linked below, so you can check them out after this video. Make sure you comment below, let me know your thoughts about this process I share, let me know if you will use it or not. I want to hear your thoughts as always. I want you to use these things and get results from them also. That's really important for me. But if you cannot apply it for any reason, if it's too difficult or if you have any questions, let me know by commenting below. I'll read all the comments and reply to most of them. And I'll catch you back here in the next video pretty soon. Ciao.